Hey there guys, here with another detail. I'm going to be detailing my father's 2019 Hyundai Santa Fe Ultimate, or is Limited? I think it's Ultimate. This car has not been washed in a while, as you can tell, so let's take a closer look. Alright, let's get close and personal with this 2019 Hyundai Santa Fe Ultimate. As you can tell, those wheel wells are full of dirt and mud, and those tires, ooh, those are dirty. I let this car go way too long without a detail, about 3 months I believe when I did this. I know, bad son and detailer. My dad was waiting patiently. He wouldn't let no one else touch his vehicle other than me, so I need to do a really good job. But look at those door panels. Yeah, my dad likes to kick the doors pretty good. Likes to bring in every single piece of rock on his foot. And then that right there, yeah, dandruff. Yeah, he likes to rub his head a lot. He is bald. He's gonna kill me. And look at that engine bay. Man, it's dirty. And today's products I'm gonna be using is Chemical Guys, 303 Aerospace, especially the new graphene. Oh, I'm so excited to put it on this car. So let's get started on this detail. Alright, as you can tell, I'm about to clean the engine bay, but no, I did not film it because I'm a noob like that and I just want to get started. So here we are, we're doing an under pressure carriage wash right now and needed it. Oh man, so much dirt and grime came underneath that car. Here's some of the products, and of course, as a good detailer, we are going to start off those wheels, deep rinse it, high pressure, all that fun stuff. Get the tires first. You see all that blooming there, man, it was brown. And of course, lots of suds, detail brushes, get in the back of those rims, get in the front face. And I'm like, I should have used a microfiber cloth on those wheels, but it didn't scratch it, thank goodness. And then of course, we're gonna do a pre-soak rinse. And then here we go with the foam cannon. Could have used more product once again, but I am using clear slate from Chemical Guys here to get off of that old wax, what left of it was. And we're going to be applying a new coat very soon. And as of course, we're doing a 2-bucket method and me doing another foam bath. Okay, the drying is done now. Now I'm going to be drying inside the engine bay to make sure to get that product right in there. And of course, I'm going to be using Chemical Guys VRP. I absolutely, again, love using this in the engine bay. And of course, I could have used 303, but it's a little bit more expensive and I like to save that for the interior. Man, this engine was disgusting and it's going to look so good after I put this dressing on. And we're gonna start the detailing on the interior. Man, my dad kept all the dogs back here and the dogs slobber everywhere and I was so mad at this. And hey look, I finally record myself doing the interior, and hopefully I didn't show too much butt crack in this video. But here it is, doing the door jambs, wiping it all down. making sure everything is nice and clean and wiped down. Okay, I didn't get the full video of me cleaning the interior, but I went straight to getting the car re-protected by 303 Aerospace Nanographene. It is a little bit more process with this nanotechnology graphene. You had to do vertical and horizontal overlays on it and let it flash, and then you wipe off. It's not too bad, but it turned out wonderful. And here is the final product, the car in the sun. Look how good this vehicle looks with that new protectant of 303 graphene nano coating. It's absolutely great. I do like it, but it's just a longer process than a sealant and a regular wax, but it works wonderful. Look how clean this looks and how much it shines in the sun. I was very happy with this, and so was my father. After 6-7 hours on this thing, she's looking brand new, and she has a brand new coat of wax of the graphene 303. I love that stuff. Look how freaking shiny that is. Love this shit. Excited. So I hope my dad will be really happy about it. It is finally clean ever since I watched it back in November. It's good for another year. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.